Hi, Paul Wisby here, and in today's lesson I'd like to share with you 8 guitar licks from the A Dorian scale, and these are mostly going to be taken from this first position of the scale. So in the video I'm going to play each lick 3 times. I'm going to play up to speed, then at half speed, and then again finally at full speed. If you like this lesson and would like a free copy of the backing track that I'm using, you can click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.